For this year, we have lined up activities. No, we have the Eucharistic celebration. Of course, we have to seek the Lord's guidance. Always, mag-unagid na siya on April 30, which will be at the Mother of Perpetual Help Parish in Dumaguete City. On May 1, we will have our motorcade. We will have it on May 1, 5 o'clock in the morning ang atong assembly time, which will be at the Pantawan Boulevard, no, din ha sa Atbang, diri sa Bethel. And then ang kick-off time nato will be at 6 o'clock in the morning. The entire activity will be held at the Lamberto Macias Sports Complex and the neighboring kanang sa compound gid niya, no, because we will be using most of the areas didtong dapita for our first the local and overseas job fair which will be at the Lamberto Macias Sports Complex. We will also have the one-stop government services, no, didto ra sad gihapon sa same venue. We will also have the test the skills demo and other services which we also had last time, no, nga dunay mga massage, manicure, pedicure o ganang alot. We will also have the launching of the kadiwa ng Pangulo para sa manggagawa fair. It's going to be kanang mga baligya at low cost, no.